Hi, I am Muhammad, an Excel expert. In this video, I'll show you an automated ship tracking system I built for a client in the shipping business. So let's get started. So he wanted a tool to track his each ship by code, whether it is rented, available, or in or is sold. So he did not provide me with any kind of data, just a visual layout of a map. So first I started by creating four main data sheets: owners, renters, transients, and available. Then I created two map sheets. One is visual map. The client has shown me an example of how he wanted his map layout. So I created this visually by using shapes in Excel. And the second is one is marinette map, which is in tabular form, and this is the main map. So all of these codes are color coded according to the according to which code is in which sheets they are available. Means if the code is green, it means it is available, it is in the available sheets. If it is orange, means it is in transient sheet, and so on. All of this is 100% automated using formulas and linking logic. So client didn't need to do any kind of manual work in this. So let me show you how this works. This is the main visual map sheet. So if client wanted to check the ship which code is E28, so he click on it. The then the cursor move to an marina map sheet and click and come on the E28 code. So from here the client will know that if the color is orange, means it is in transient sheet. If he clicks on this code, so it eventually open its details, so that you can see by clicking on the E28, I instantly came upon the transient sheets where the details of E28 code all are listed. So here with all the details. So I hope that you know that how it works. So I maintain consistency of formatting across all these four data sheets: owners, renters, transients, and available. I also created one more tab, that is the cover tab, in which the details of the workbook are present. Also, the instructions for using the workbook is also here. I also created one visual map and table according to the client requirement for immediately checking for his ship's slip size, on to know where it is in how much quantity it is located in sheets. So first I created a separate sheet for dashboard and separate for cover sheet, but as per the client requirement I merged both of them and created an home tab, as you can see there. So the biggest challenge in this project was to automate all this process. The main two parts. First one is for color coding theirs. So client doesn't need to do color code each time he removes the code from the workbook, or he adds enter he and adds a new one. So these all color coding is automated, and also the linking logic. So if he clicks on any cell or any ship code, he immediately jump on its details, as you can see there. All this works just in few clicks, so his time not gonna waste it. I also added one button in all across all these five sheets, six sheets, which is cover sheet, so he can eventually go to the cover from each sheet where he is located at that time. Also added the linking buttons for each sheet in the cover tab, so he don't need to click on these tabs in buttons. He can eventually just click transients, he jumps on the transient sheets, then he goes to the cover, he click on available, he comes on the available sheet. So how this is how it works. Thanks for watching. If you need any type of custom solution built for your tracking and for any other operations in your business, I would love to help.